Welcome back to my survival YouTube channel. We are at my site, my survival school, and this weekend we're going to be doing forage training. So I've got some instructor coming in. I'm going to teach you some foraging, so hopefully we get to learn some new plants today. What I'm going to do now though, I've got the fire on, going to get the kettle on for the team, going to get the bacon butties on, then that should be us ready to rock and roll for the day. Make sure you stay tuned. I just love how peaceful it is when you're outdoors. Just listening to the birds, listen to the fire crack. So now we're going to get the bacon and egg butties on. Fire is good to go. We've got Jenny and Kerry chilling out. That's our bacon and eggs now on the fire. Look at that. You all hungry? Yes.
With the production team. We went for that.
Real food.
Did we need to... Oh, no, silly.
Are you alright, wife? You ready for a bit of foraging?
Yeah.
Right, that's us now. We've had our coffees, we've had our bacon butties. Now we're going to have a good morning, the next 3 hours of foraging and learning new plants. Let's go. Like I always say, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel.
Oh wow. So there's lots of hair on it. Let me just pick one of them. They are not too bad now because obviously they're flowering. Oh, this one is still quite nasty. Yeah, but if you see there's lots of hair.
Yeah.
And also like the
Oh
spike
wow, yeah.
in here. So that's what gives us the irritation. So when the little spike, so in holistic medicine, when people like suffer from joint pains or any inflammation, it is recommended to sting the area. Yeah, and it actually helps. I haven't tested that on myself yet, but what I've tested when it comes to nettles is the properties of boosting the iron level, because they are really rich in iron. So if we compare nettles in a chart with spinach, a bit spinach on everything, every single thing, yeah. And they always say like.
So how do you know that's a male one?
I'll show you exactly how to do that. They all males, they all boys in here. That's female, and you can tell the difference. Can you see the difference?
That's got more seeds on it.
Yeah, exactly. So these are seeds, these are the flowers. The flowers are only to produce pollen, to pollinate female flowers, to produce seeds.
Oh.
So that's why they are so small.
Yeah.
And they are, if you have like a magnifying glass or like zoom in, these are flowers. They're not
seeds.
Seeds are here.
These are really good food.
Yeah, and you can eat these, can't you?
You
Yeah.
can eat that.
Can you eat the flowers on there?
Of course you can, but there's nothing in there.
Sharon's like,
I show you how to eat that, not to be stung, like to avoid, to minimalize, not to really avoid. So you need a cluster of that, but if you have a look, the stings are there. The stings are still on the stem.
Yeah.
So the best way to do that, to make it edible and safe, not to like burn, it's just to roll them and squeeze.
do you feel the sting in your hands when you do
Get loads of these in Bulgaria.
Yeah. You squeeze it and make it like a
Look at all this knowledge you're going to take.
little hole, little bowl.
Oh yeah.
Take the stem out, and you've got all the seeds now. And they are really tasty. So that's like a real energy booster as well. So
Can I
if
try
you,
some?
yeah, of course, have the seeds. There is no stings in them. Really nice.
Sharon? Well, I might as well.
Like nutty flavor. I like them. You can
Go for porridge oats.
obviously when
Sprinkle them on salads.
yeah. So that's common hogweed. Beautiful spice. Yeah, if you smell it, it's really nice. So if they go in like curry mixes, and also If you make, you've got slow growing in here. as
What's the
well.
one that's poisonous? Yeah,
Citrusy smell.
It's citrusy, orangey. The poisonous is giant hogweed.
giant hogweed, yeah.
Or from the same family, it would be hemlock, waterdrop.
Hemlock, yeah.
But that's that's fine, and it smells. It's really good. It works as an insect repellent.
Yeah, herb rabbit, insect repellent.
Yeah,
All right.
so just
Right,
rub
okay. Right, that's on my
Rub it
list.
on the skin.
So all these plants you're showing us, will these be all around Europe?
Yeah, absolutely. And
So will they be in Bulgaria?
I think
so, because it's
Kentucky. All the plants were very similar. Just they called it something different.
used as
Is that these?
yes, they when they are ground, they can be used as flour.
Oh,
and used for
all
baking.
right. Didn't know that.
Yeah, so you can try on experimenting with like making very. But yes, that was a source of food in olden days. People commonly
So
used it.
what's the best stage
They
to
need to be
create?
dry.
So
Nearly that.
is
So
that
you
better?
can make bread out of this if you have some water.
So
We're not surprised by that one, to be. We're not going to forget it now, though.
I just want to.
You still having a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm taking my notes.
Beautiful chicory
Oh,
flowers.
that-
They don't last long, but once we pick them, we have to use. We have got
Goosegrass.
Steve calls it sticky willy.
Yeah.
it is. That's one of the like the common names. But now it's the time to get the seeds.
Oh, yeah.
I can see. So they actually have got some common ancestors with coffee. All about seeds. So that's where all the energy is gone.
So what do you do with it to help the lymphatic
Did it
system?
steep it?
You just steep it in
Yeah.
water.
Yeah.
I wouldn't use the ones with the seeds because the previous it's quite old. But when we mix it in the salad, it's fine. I'm not saying that we should have a whole bowl of dandelion leaves because then it might be a bit too much.
I always taught to not pick them, else you'll pee the bed.
Oh yeah.
But you know, it's an old saying. But actually, like it helps with cleansing the body. So it
It makes
gives
you
the
actually
kidneys
get
a kick. It helps with, as I said, bile production from gallbladder, and obviously bile is necessary for fat processing in our
So good to
body.
prevent like gallstones
Yeah.
and stuff.
And again, just add a few leaves to your salad, regular salad, especially if you've got some dressing, lemon juice or olive oil. We won't be able to. We needed some new things to explore. One of the friends, there was a big field with dandelion heads like that with seeds. He used the Hoover to get it all in.
That's funny.
That is a
in
good
the
idea,
like a
yes.
container, and then because obviously you don't want to eat the fluff because it's irritating. So when you've got a whole container of dandelion seeds, you just put a spark and it all burns, and you've got
Oh,
seeds
yeah.
left.
Yeah. Absolutely amazing so far. Learned loads of stuff when it comes to foraging. Never ever knew you could make bread out of the seeds on dough. So I'm
When
happy.
you make and also dry. Drying is the way of preserving. So when we've got fresh ingredients, enjoy them fresh. But I dry lots of leaves are nice as well.
On
So
my
you've got 4
ADHD.
petals.
You could put that in bread, make a nice spicy bread.
Oh, absolutely, all salad.
Yeah.
Black mustard.
So when I noticed
It's square. Like, is that mint family?
mint family, that's a square stem, and you've got pairs of leaves growing opposite direction, every level. Can
What's
you see?
that one called?
Self-heal. So
So-
self-heal is a really medicinal plant. It down and then rinse.
Like
the mouth.
rinse it, not swallowing.
Yeah, you can swallow it as well. But when you rinse, you just spit it out because of the bacteria.
And then if it's like on the skin, you just
go and ask Mother Nature for permission if they are allowed, and thank her for anything that is giving us. So 3 pairs, very common, it's just 2 pairs and 1 singular on the top. Serrated edges, and also your key thing, they are
berries have
toxic.
to be cooked.
It's just like potatoes, you can't eat potatoes
Yeah.
raw. It have to be temperature that breaks the chemical compound, and then we make it edible in this way. Even when the dogs run through a patch of dog's mercury when it's flowering and they inhale pollen, it makes them a little bit
Good walk so far with Joanna. She's teaching us loads of different plants. I've learned loads of plants today which I've never known, so I'm happy about, and just broaden our knowledge.
Okay. So that is that's meadowsweet, and
Oh,
yeah,
smells like a cake.
yeah. So you can infuse milk or anything, like infuse things with that, and it will add the aroma in anything else, because it's got that very characteristic smell. That
Is it part of the Cara family still?
No,
No.
that is not.
Right, meadowsweet.
The main characteristic would be again the leaves. So you've got reddish stem, and then we've got big pair of leaves, and then smaller leaves. Can you see that?
Yeah.
At the back it's better. Bigger leaves. And
Is that a
then
tick on there? There's
smaller.
ticks on that.
No,
No?
they're not ticks. They are just like flies.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that taste then. It was like
No.
nutty to medicinal to
But
mushroom.
it moves.
Yeah.
So you know, like that cheese, we bought some cheese once and it's got like gin, tequila and something else, and as you're
Petals are great source of antioxidants. So antioxidants, they work like dustpan and brush in our bodies. We all have got free radicals, the bad cells. It's just important thing to keep it to minimum. So if we got a diet full of antioxidants, it helps to keep it to like a minimum level. And yes, the petals of dandelions, it's a really good source of antioxidants. It's good source of vitamin A, C and K.
Don't you coat those in flour and cook them and
Oh, probably.
fry them? I'm sure
You can fry
I've seen
everything,
them,
yeah. But you can have them raw as well, and they are not that bitter. You can sprinkle that on salad, on sandwich, or any dish. As well. So you can pick them for tea. They don't have much of the flavor, but they are good for like a
Can you eat the white flour on it?
Froggy?
The tech with any like minor wounds. So yes, the story says that Achilles was dipped in the infusion of yarrow, and the only place
Was his heel?
was his
Because
heel,
that's where he
because
hung.
he was held by the heel, and obviously that was his weakest point. But people who take blood thinners should avoid anything with yarrow.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because it's got something to do with
Stops the blood. Yeah.
But in moderation, we can have the leaf.
I like really strong flavours. My
Yeah.
favourite salad is why is the name gone? You know.
Joanna, so what, can you eat oxeye daisy?
Yeah, absolutely fine to eat. They are actually tasty, and but you need to get them young and smaller. So obviously, I wouldn't go for anything like.
At least we're getting our steps in. Yeah, been a good day so far. Learned loads of plans. The wife has took about 1,000 notes, haven't you? Still got more to go. So as you can see here now, we've got some hemlock water drop, which is a poisonous plant. And you've got some Himalayan balsam right behind it, which is an invasive species. But you can't eat the stem, you can't eat the leaves, you can eat the flowers and the seed heads.
Alfie.
No, it's
The hat is cute. Does he keep you awake all night?
He goes quiet. He only really squawks when there's people
Living
around.
his best life, getting ham fed every day. I'm just
at
gonna
him.
go get a
Is he wanting food? Is that what he's doing?
It's just because there's people around. Hopefully, we've got him in the shed now, so we should get decent pheasants now.
Good boy.
Did you all enjoy that little walk?
Oh, that's
Loved
good.
it.
Loved
Yeah.
it, yeah. Interesting, that.
Yeah. I'll eat some cookies, 100%.
I'm gonna have one and then I'm eating
Bourbons.
the
We
rest
could
of the
be
day.
some more. We are missing things.
Would you like some biscuit?
You've done good today, Jenny. I'm proud of you.
Yes, we're doing so well. Animal home.
He doesn't like being on camera, Steve.
Oh,
He's camera shy.
Right, everyone's getting tested now on the plans that Joanna has took us round and learned. Let's see how we all do. That's Jenny first up on a test.
The mustard one. And that
So settling down now. We've got a beef stew on the go. The wife chopped all the veg up, got it all packed away, got it in the Dutch oven. Now we've got the Dutch oven on the coals. And I think everyone's hungry now. We've had a few beers. 2 beers at the Armed Forces show. I forgot to video it. And we've had 1 beer at our site. I'll just chilling out, nice in the weather. And the wife is about to fall asleep. She's a tired little bear. And how's little Alfie? Oh. Right, that's our dinner done. Let's have a little look at the dinner. Right, how do I get my camera down? How do I turn my camera down? Look at that. Nice beef stew. You all hungry?
yeah,
Come on.
we are waiting.
Yes. Have you had a good time today?
What?
Has Alfie
Have
had
you
a good time?
time, Alfie? Have you had a good time?
Look at his little face.
Shall we go and take it?
So it's now going to settle down for the night. It's been a really good day. Yeah, get up in the morning, have a bacon butty, a coffee, do some archery, and that's us finished here. Go and get the big light on, wife. And the wife is getting a movie ready. So while you get a movie on, let's go across with this movie. That's us, me and the wife now settled down for the night. We're going to chill, watch a movie, and we'll see you in the morning. Bye. This is our last morning. You know, like Jenny? We're tired little bears. I had a few beers last night and a few rum and cokes, so I can feel it. But I'm going to get up now and get the bacon on for all the troops, and get the fire going and the coffees. Nice and peaceful. Everyone's still in bed. I'm the first one up. Got the kettle on, got the music on, and we're going to get the bacon butties on. And have a little practice of fire by friction today. But like I always say, I like to love it. If you come and subscribe to this channel, I'm just trying to grow it. And hopefully you're enjoying my vlogs. I'm not doing nothing really specific, I'm just vlogging. Just the stuff I'm doing in the day. Right. We're going to have a little go.
then. Okay. We've got subtitles there. Steve has to be on that one then.
Yeah, there's subtitles on that one. I picked the songs at the right times.
Yeah.
So that's,
Yeah, that's alright.
is it?
Yeah, and even if it's on the floor, because if you're going to stick the bait on the stick, so they've got to pull it. So if you go in now, put your hands under, pull the stick, and see the cage falls on you, it's not going to hit you. And that's it. Perfect. Now what I'm going to give you now, Kerry,
Are we ready?
Yes. Perfect, Kerry. Yes. Here's another one done for you. Just chilling out with Kerry, just doing one-to-one training with her. We've practiced a few bird traps, arapucas. We've shown her a L7 trigger. We've showed her a bow and arrow I made out of hazel. Now what we're doing now is making a figure 4 trap, so you can use this on arapucas, deadfalls, so on and so forth, any type of drop trap. And then from there we're going to go into shelter building. I'm going to give her half an hour, that's it. I've got half a shelter already made. She's got to rectify the problems and see if it's good enough to lie on and live on. So that's what we're going to be doing in a minute.
That actually would probably help me now.
Yeah. So what we're doing now, Kerry is building a jungle bed, a raised bed, testing her skills. Hopefully she can get herself off the ground in a hold, and that's the aim of this little challenge that she's doing now.
Because the grass is dead long.
Shelter's coming on well. She's had 10 minutes. She's got 25 minutes left. And putting under a bit of time pressure. But she's doing good. She's got it all solid now. Looking forward to seeing the end of it. She's getting a roof on there now, thatching a whole roof. Then we're going to get her on top of the bed. So she's got 25 minutes to make it solid. Right, that is the end of our 2 days at Southwest Survival, camping over here, staying in a camper van, practicing our bushcraft skills. And like I always say on these videos, right, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I'm just trying to grow it. I'm just doing bits of vlogging, and hopefully you'll enjoy it and see what we're up to. But this is my survival school, and this is us finished for the weekend. Peace out.